Welcome to 304 Old Marlboro Road in historic Concord, Massachusetts. This spacious and bright young farmhouse-style colonial is in a great location within walking distance to all the amenities that West Concord Village offers, including the commuter rail to the Red Line Boston and the Bruce Freeman Rail Trail. Enjoy the fenced-in backyard with a stunning patio and fire pit. There's also a Reed's Ferry shed for all those outdoor tools. Built in 2017, this property has an easy living floor plan with hardwood floors, high-end finishes, a coffered great room ceiling, extensive moldings, built-ins, and top-of-the-line kitchen appliances. A peaceful and comfortable primary suite offers 2 walk-in closets and a spa-like bathroom. Light-filled walkout lower level presents a game room, an office or a 5th bedroom, as well as a full bath. This ideal location provides urban convenience in a suburban setting, in a town steeped in history and noted for its great schools. Concord is a picturesque New England community of handsome residences, preserved open spaces, family-owned farms, and thriving commercial centers. The town is served by the MBTA commuter rail to Boston, Cambridge, and Fitchburg.